My name is Christy Wiley, and I'm the program director for the Jordan Elizabeth Harris Foundation. And we are a 100% donor funded nonprofit organization here in Fort Worth, Texas, and we do suicide prevention for children, teens, and adults. We also provided much needed funding for depression and suicide research. The mission of the Jordan Elizabeth Harris Foundation is to eradicate suicide by funding depression research, creating awareness through education, erasing the stigma, and providing hope to those who are struggling in silence. With that mission in mind, we have several programs at the Jordan Elizabeth Harris Foundation, and one of them is based in a suicide prevention training called QPR: Question, Persuade, Refer. And it's the 3 simple tools anyone can learn to save a life from suicide. We also have a program called Hope Squad, and Hope Squad is a peer-to-peer suicide prevention program in our schools. So 2.5 years ago, we were in 13 schools here in our area, and now we are in 88 schools across 9 districts. So we are very proud of the Hope Squad program and QPR in particular. But the way we came to know Sharon and LGBTQ Saves is through QPR. It's through this suicide prevention training. And what happened is Sharon came to a QPR training back in 2016 and then decided that she wanted LGBTQ Saves to be part of our Unite for Light. Our Unite for Light program is a train the trainer program. And so we are involved with several organizations across Tarrant County and in our area. And what we do is we get leaders within those nonprofit organizations QPR certified. And then once they're QPR certified, they can teach the 1-hour gatekeeper training that the Jordan Elizabeth Harris Foundation provides. And with that certification, they train their stakeholders. And since 2016, Sharon has required all of her board members and her volunteers to become QPR certified to know the warning signs of suicide. Q stands for question. And what we need to know is that we need to be very direct. If we think someone's struggling with suicidal thoughts or thinking about death or dying, we need to be direct and ask the question. We need to say, are you thinking of suicide? Have you been thinking of death or dying lately? P is persuade. And when we persuade someone, we persuade them to stay alive by persuading them that there is help available. And then R is to refer. And it's how we learn to refer the people who need that extra help from mental health professionals. It's that warm referral to the resources they need. So the Jordan Elizabeth Harris Foundation provides this 1-hour gatekeeper training. And since 2014, we have trained over 10,000 people in QPR. And we would love to partner with you or your organization, or we would love for you to join us at either one of our virtual QPRs that will happen until the end of July. Or if you would like us to come to your organization, come to your school, come speak to your youth group, please, just contact us at the information below and we will get that information to you. We would love to do QPR for your group. As far as why it's so important for our LGBTQIA youth is because what we know is that suicide is the second leading cause of death for ages 10 to 24. So suicide's the second leading cause of death for ages 10 to 24. But our LGBTQIA youth are at greater risk. We know that they are 3 times more likely to contemplate suicide, and our LGBTQIA youth are 5 times more likely to attempt suicide. So, what we need to do, especially now, it is so hard out there in the world, and with everything that's going on, we've got to wrap our arms around these kiddos and let them know they're not alone, and let them know that some of us have been there before, and just provide the care and support that they need. But how we can do that is learning something like it, like QPR, like a suicide prevention gatekeeper training. So again, we would love to partner with anybody who would like to learn more about QPR. If you would like to know more about Hope Squad, would love to talk to you. But again, I just want to give another shout out to Sharon and the LGBTQ Saves Board of Directors, and just say thank you. Thank you for all you're doing in our community. You mean the world to us. Your partnership means the world to us. And we are just honored to know you and be able to witness the work that you're doing for our kiddos in our community. And then don't hesitate to reach out to anyone at LGBTQ Saves, or feel free to check us out at jordanharrisfoundation.org for more information about our programs. All right, guys, it's been a pleasure to be here. Raise all the money and happy Pride.